Are you ready?
Our curriculums are advanced.
We learn in modern ways.
We study, apply scientific methods and prepare to solve real-world problems.
Here, technology fuels learning. We use the latest tools to stay ahead.
Our teachers are always here to listen. At Sterling Schools, they're not just our guides, they're our friends.
Education isn't just books. We learn and grow from our teachers.
Music is a language of emotion. At Sterling, we learn it with passion.
We learn, we innovate, we shape the future.
Join us at Ishik International Boys Secondary School, where success begins.